Welcome to 717 Old Pidcoke Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a pretty nice sized living area and a great kitchen and dining area. This home features a wood-burning brick corner fireplace, nice tile floors. What I like about this kitchen for this size home is it's pretty spacious for a starter home. And you also have this nice laundry room and a mud room that an outside door comes in off the porch. It's pretty cool. The large family dining area opens out into the living area. The bedrooms are spacious and they all have walk-in closets, which is a great plus. What I like about this house is this screened-in porch is on the front, and it really adds a lot of outdoor living space. Give us a call to schedule a private showing of this property. We have a great team of agents that are here waiting to take care of you.